Okie dokie.
No excursion planned. Easy walk into port.
Yep.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna drink, we're gonna shop. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bum, bum. Oh yeah. Look at you. No, it wasn't. God, this is the best. We're back to the ship. It's raining so hard.
I almost didn't get off the ship.
Why?
My card was like invalid or something.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
What
Did you have your little government people work on it?
No.
Okay. Well, let's go explore. That is a nice boat I got there, isn't it?
Where did you buy that one?
It was on my taxes. I don't remember when. It's a loan.
Did you loan it to someone?
It's a loan. Or
Someone you're loaning.
I loaned it out. Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so we're going to walk down this way. We're going to try to find a cafe to sit at. There's enough to pick from, right? This is has a menu out. Well, they all have menus out. Yeah. Valerie saw an Oscier bowl. That's the picture. And then Oscier bowl.
Actually, I might do the protein toast. There's bananas, blueberries, honey, and almond.
Alrighty.
That'll get me going.
Pretty good little menu. I have the...
I didn't put that up on camera. Okay. This looks good.
Yeah. You got the
Protein
toast with banana, almonds, blueberries, peanut butter on toast.
It's just what I wanted.
I got the piccolo toast, feta, arugula, tomatoes, guacamole on toast.
For eggs?
Huh?
Eggs?
Eggs, yes, eggs. Well then.
It was good. After having cruise food for like a month, that was like, that hit the spot.
Right?
And, ow.
Perfect. It was really good.
I liked it. So let's go shopping now.
Yeah. Here, going in.
Shopping.
Yeah, it's always a nice day until it starts raining.
You know, we could go. We can walk and like if we feel like we can hide, we can eat, we can drink.
Yeah, like this place.
Ooh.
Yeah. Alright. Game of Thrones Museum, Split. There's the museum, which we saw last week. We didn't go through it, but here's the Game of Thrones store.
Probably can't film inside.
Right.
We're outside the wall.
Yeah. The wall. Watch your step.
Oh. Speed bump.
Yeah, you got tree root. Huh?
Bunch of them. No, they're speed bumps just for me.
Sober checkers.
The what?
Sober checkers.
Okay. You ready? We're gonna go in now. Ooh. Look at that big statue out there. We didn't see it last time.
Nope.
You wanna go see the big statue?
Yeah, let's go check out that big statue.
She has my made in Santorini. Made in China Santorini hat.
Oh, she does. Different colors though.
But it's the same hat. Awesome. He's cool. I don't want to go up there.
You don't want to go up
I'm going to go down in there.
Okay, let's go down there.
So we're going to go into the wall.
In the house. Cool, man.
Let's go. Hold your hand. Might not come out the other end.
go through time here. As long as they don't close the gate.
Oh, that could
We
happen.
did come through here.
But my dad also makes it out here. So what he's doing.
Lavender. You want to look in here? There's t-shirts. Or kid ones? Yeah. I think they're kids. Baby stuff. Okay. Where's that?
Chocolate?
Oh, okay.
You want to go?
No, I don't need no chocolate. Do you want to look in this foods and stuff? Huh? Stop, we just got some stuff. Oh, it's pretty. You wanna look? That was doggy. Yeah. I think it was that one though.
Yeah, I think so.
You wanna go left or right?
I don't really know.
Right behind us.
Know that one.
Okay. Let's go in right. We've been here anyway, either way. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So cool. That comes right out though. Do you want to go this way?
Yeah, let's go. We'll figure out where we are later.
Oh, I know.
Walking, you'll find a way
I know
out.
exactly where we are. That way is out.
Okay. At least one of us knows something.
And I know everything.
I know things.
What do you know?
I don't want to tell you because you might take credit for them.
Do I do that?
No. There's always that chance though. Yeah, we walked through here. And it was like shoulder to shoulder and bumping into each other. This is the old ghetto. That smells electrical.
Electrical fire?
Yeah.
Would suck to be stuck in here.
Yeah. I just got corrected on my coffee selection at this place.
Oh, baby.
Nice little breeze that comes through here. A macchiato. A water. A bottle of water.
Just thirsty.
Thirsty.
I think that's called like ripping off the customer.
Victory. Gouging.
That's kind of like what the captain was saying. Make sure you know the price before you order anything.
Lavender. Baby fish.
Feels like Mykonos, you can get lost.
Kind of.
But it's not really that big, so.
No. But it's neat.
So we just gotta find somewhere else to get some food and some drink.
That's right.
Or shop.
We're shop.
Are you full?
No, I'm not full.
Are you hungry? Could you
I'm
eat?
hungry. Could you eat?
Eat a little something.
I could eat a little something.
Just little things.
A little nom nom.
How about a Mexican cantina?
That sounds authentic. What do you think?
Looking good.
Yeah, a pizzeria.
Do you want a pizza?
We'll see what they got. Yeah? What do you think?
Whatever you think.
Let's check the menu.
Go check it. Looks like it's gonna rain.
It does look like it's gonna
We might
rain.
have to start moving.
Yeah, we're gonna have to move eventually.
I opened up more stuff.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Hey people, I'm open. Actually, by the time I put this video out, I'll be open and probably closed again. No,
Yeah.
just kidding. We're not going anywhere until July. We're going to Vegas in July.
Yeah, we'll be home in June now, so
Okay.
beginning of June.
We'll find somewhere to eat.
We just sat here at this park, and that was our view up there. And
We're gonna go find some food.
we're gonna, I think, is it lunchtime?
Yeah, it's past noon. Did you hear the bells?
Oh, yeah, duh.
And then we're gonna go to the ship probably, because I don't find nothing else. Oh, we gotta go to that store you liked.
I don't remember. Okay, we'll find it. Oh, yeah. Clubbing, dining, entertainment, me. Oh, it's the fetish food.
I love clubbing. Right?
Fetish food? I think it's gonna rain. Right. Is that Mallory?
It's Chop's Grill.
It's not even on the ship anymore. They kicked them off of the ship. Look at that.
I think there's no way out of here.
No, it's a cul-de-sac.
Okay. Sorry.
So, you want to go to Chop's Grill?
No.
Oh, okay. What a puppy. Okay, this is called Jamaica. It's pretty looking. More walking.
Want to look at their menu?
Sure. So we got the whole set of the booze. All the brandy.
Wait a second. Did we get the small ones or the big ones?
We got the small ones.
Hold on, let me see a second. I thought they were, the big ones were 20. How much were the small ones?
9.
I paid 95 for 5 of them. There were 19. I don't know. Tired.
Yeah, we did a lot of walking around.
Still not 100%. Got a really bad headache.
And then, so we're walking around. This is our last stop. Well, besides this Bonaire.
Every stop I want to stop at.
Right.
In this vicinity. And then we'll head back.
We'll head back. But right now we're having lunch.
Break.
And,
So far, no rain.
yeah,
So it's good.
because we got the umbrella.
Yeah, because we got the umbrella.
That's right. So I got the sea bass olive side.
Salad, same as last week.
Yeah, the tuna is cut this time now.
No, that was a different place you're thinking of. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. Alright, let's see.
I think I'm falling apart.
Oh, probably. Run you ragged.
I'm running ragged here, people.
Alright. So we had lunch, it was pretty good.
It was okay. I don't know if it's because my head cold and it just tasted funky. Or I'm going to have food poisoning tomorrow, because salad will kill me someday.
Yeah, I got the fish was really good. It was brown, golden on the
It looked good.
meat side, and then it was, the skin was coming off really good, so.
It was good. Those are pretty.
Good.
We're going to go look at a couple shops and head back to the ship.
Alright.
Hey, Parody.
Wow, look at those waves with the wind.